Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Newsfeed Career Plus. So let's start our current affairs of July 7th, 2021. The first question is, Aman Shah takes over charge as the acting chairman of which organization? And the options are A. NCB, B. IIF, C. NAA and D. CBI. The correct answer is C. NAA. NAA means National Anti-Profiteering Authority. Aman Shah is an officer of the 1991 batch of the Indian Revenue Service. NAA was established under Section 171 of the Central Goods and Services Tax Act 2017. The NAA consists of a chairman along with few senior government officials. The second question is, Army Chief Manoj Mukund Narawane to visit which of the following countries? And the options are A. UK, B. Italy, C. Russia and D. both A and B. And the correct answer is D. both A and B. Manoj Mukund is current and 27th Chief of the Army Staff. He served as 40th Vice Chief of the Army Staff from September 1 to December 30, 2019. Manoj was commissioned into 7th Battalion, the 6th Light Infantry in June 1980, and he is going to visit both UK and Italy. And the third question is, which of the following countries' city to be listed as UNESCO World Heritage Site? And the options are A. Afghanistan, B. UAE, C. Japan and D. India. And the correct answer is A. Afghanistan. It's Afghanistan's heritage city to be listed as UNESCO's World Heritage Site. UNESCO also provided $30,000 to the government to use in gathering data about the city. Whereas UNESCO means United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, which is founded in 1945, headquartered in Paris, and the Director General of UNESCO is Audrey Azoulay. And the fourth question is, which country becomes first country in South Asia to acquire contingent of Pfizer COVID-19 vaccines? And the options are A. Malaysia, B. Sri Lanka, C. Singapore and D. Dubai. And the correct answer is B. Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka becomes the first country in South Asia to acquire contingent of Pfizer COVID-19 vaccines. And the fifth question is, which of the following country launched a new meteorological satellite Penguin 3E? And the options are A. China, B. Japan, C. India and D. none of these. The correct answer is A. China. China launched by a Long March 4C rocket from Jiuquan Satellite Launch Center. Satellite and rocket were developed by the Shanghai Academy of Space Flight Technology. This is the 377th flight mission of the Long March rocket series. And the sixth question is, Stephen Tyler becomes second to take T20 hat-trick in women's cricket? The options are A. Australian, B. Zimbabwean, C. South African, and D. West Indian. And the correct answer is D. West Indian. Taylor achieved the feat in third and final T20 against Pakistan. Previous hat-trick for West Indies was taken by Anisa Mohammed against South Africa in 2018. The first women's T10 hat-trick was taken by Azmawia Iqbal of Pakistan. And the seventh question is, Levin Aronian wins Gold Money Asian Rapid online chess title. He belongs to which country? And the options are A. Armenia, B. Argentina, C. Australia, and D. England. And the correct answer is A. Armenia. And the eighth question is, who among the following virtually launched Nipun Bharat? And the options are A. Rajnath Singh, B. Narendra Modi, C. Narendra Tomar, and D. R. Pokhriyal Nishank. And the correct answer is D. R. Pokhriyal Nishank. Education Minister Pokhriyal launched it virtually, whereas Nipun means National Initiative for Proficiency in Reading with Understanding and Numeracy. This initiative will be a part of school education program. Smagra Shiksha Nipun Bharat initiative will be implemented by School Education Department. And the ninth question is, which of the following airline has selected as Airline of the Year 2021? And the options are A. Korean Air, B. Indigo, C. Air India, and D. Emirates. And the correct answer is A. Korean Air. This award is considered as Oscar of Airlines. And the 10th question is, which organization has partnered with WooCommerce for digital infrastructure? And the options are A. Visa, B. PayPal, C. PayU, and D. Razorpay. And the correct answer is C. PayU. It will enable WooCommerce merchants for making digital payments end-to-end. And the 11th question is, who among the following won the Formula 1 Austrian Grand Prix 2021? And the options are A. Sergio Perez, B. Max Verstappen, C. Lewis Hamilton, and D. Valtteri Bottas. And the correct answer is B. Max Verstappen. This is 8th round of the 2021 Formula 1 World Championship, and Max Verstappen won the Formula 1 Austrian Grand Prix 2021. And the 12th question is, which Indian firm has partnered with Aditya Birla Finance Limited for postpaid mini service? The options are A. GPay, B. PhonePe, C. BharatPe, and D. Paytm. And the correct answer is D. Paytm. Can available an instant loan credit up to 60,000 rupees with 0% interest. And the one-liners today are: US added Pakistan and Turkey to its Child Soldiers Prevention Act list. Assam government launched Assam Tea Industries Special Incentive Scheme. India's coal production declines 2.02% to 716.084 million tons in 2020-2021. China's Ho Yifan wins FightChess.com Women's Speed Chess Championship. And Mary Kom Manpreet Singh to be India's flag bearer at the opening ceremony. Brazilian Bajrang Punia will be the flag bearers at closing ceremony. The Tokyo Olympics would be held from July 23rd to August 8th, 2021. Department of Justice has launched an enforcing contracts portal. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Comment down your doubts below about current affairs. Stay safe, stay home.